A ferrocium rod, also known as a ferro rod or fire steel, is a popular tool for starting fires in the outdoors. It consists of a small rod made of a metallic alloy composed of iron, cerium, and other rare earth metals. When the rod is struck with a hard, sharp object like a knife or a rock, it creates a shower of sparks that are hot enough to ignite dry kindling. The ferro rod works based on a process called pyrophoricity, where a material can ignite spontaneously in air due to an exothermic reaction with oxygen. When the rod is struck, a small amount of the metallic alloy is shaved off and exposed to the air. This creates a high-temperature exothermic reaction that generates a shower of sparks. The sparks generated by the ferro rod can reach temperatures of up to 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit, making them hot enough to ignite a wide range of materials, including dry leaves, paper, and even small twigs. With practice, a skilled user can use a ferro rod to start a fire in just a few seconds, making it a useful tool for survivalists, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts.